on the beat, out on the beat,
Hit me on the gram, if you fella like a man, you might just be a fan. Could fly me to Japan. I know you wanna taste it, cause I'm looking like a snack. Let me show you how dirty chicks throw it back.
So to start out, you're gonna want a big printout of a dragon. I got mine from Home Depot and the size was 16 by 20. And I'm just gonna cut this whole image out. Next, we're gonna prep our 3D Akatsuki Clouds. And I thought about printing them out and then just cutting them out, but it looks so much better hand-drawn and painted. So for the vibrant, vibe that I'm going for, this is what we're gonna have to do. So I'm using red and white acrylic paint, and to clean it up, I'm just gonna go in with white and make the swoops in the middle over top of that red. I just use a razor to cut them out. You can use whatever you have or whatever you want, but if you are using a razor, make sure you have something underneath the paper so you don't scratch up your table. Now for my adhesive, we're going to take some duo and white and clear. And I cut out the bottom of the dragon to fit my face. So now that we've got that on, I'm just going to take that other half of the dragon that we cut out, and I'm placing it up here just so I can try and map out the spot that I really wanted on my face. Now I'm going to be taking my Elmer's glue stick and I'm going to put that onto my brow because we're going to cancel out that brow so the dragon's face can go over top of it. I'm using Body Impressions Total Tattoo Coverage, and I'm going to put that over top of that brow because we want something that is going to be waterproof because we're going to be using body paint. Now I'm going to go with my Mehron makeup, basic Paradise Makeup AQ palette. As you can see, it's had a lot of love. And I'm going to take that white shade and we're just going to start making the base of the dragon onto my face and connect it with those two pieces that we glued onto your face. So now that we have the layout of the dragon in white, we're going to go in with the red face paint and we're going to start outlining and going in with details. If you guys want to know what brush I'm using, it's the Sigma small eyeliner brush in E10. So this is what we currently are with the bottom half of the dragon completed. As you can see here, I'm going in and making details with a very, very light red, because if you make any mistakes, it'll be a lot easier to go back and clean it up and make it white again if you don't fully go in with a darker and deeper red. So I did my brows and my foundation off camera, and we pretty much there. We almost there. So I'm going to take my Sigma eyeliner in the shade Wicked, and I'm going to give myself a winged liner on both eyes. So for my lashes, I'm actually going to do the method and make my own colored lashes using the P. Louise base in Rumor 0. So with some tweezers and a brush of your choice, I'm just going to take some of that base and paint it on the front and the back of that lash all over. Now that I have the lash all white, I'm just going to take a red eyeshadow and I'm going to pat that all onto the lash. So now I've applied my lashes and we're like pretty much there. We there. And lastly, we're gonna add our Akatsuki Clouds. And I really didn't have a method for this, so I just used tape and taped it onto my body however I could to make them look different levels. And after a little photo shoot and editing, you should have something like this. Thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 𝐿𝐷esiree and Day Like That. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.